Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of August the 29th till September the 4th. So this is a new month over at Walgreens, so it is the month of September. And there's lots of good deals in this ad. I think as the week progresses, we're going to find more stuff. Just a couple of notes for you. So again, this is a brand new month, so we're going to have a new big book of savings. You can either get that book in the store or load those coupons digitally, and they are Walgreens coupons. There will also be a new P&G in this weekend's newspaper, so you might need to grab a paper or two. And with that, the new monthly deals. So we're going to have to look high and low. Hopefully we have a couple fantastic deals. Wouldn't that be nice? Now, if you were so lucky, I think it was yesterday, this guy showed up in your digital coupons folder. Always a year mileage may vary, and it's valid right till the September the 4th. Look at that start date. You need a time machine for that one. And these are a one-time use. So a couple rules for this guy. It's from August the 29th till September the 4th. You got to be to $20 before a single coupon is used. You cannot use this in conjunction with Walgreens cash, instant value coupons, which is from that big book of savings, or store register reward coupons. Again, it is of a one-time use, and this typically stacks with paper boosters, just to note that. Okay, so looking at this, we have the Coca-Cola, Diet Coke, Pepsi, all those wonderful drinks, 3 for $9.99. Guys, look at that. The original price point is $6.99, so it's usually $6.49. It's jumped up 50 cents. I think it's cheaper to buy a 12-pack of soda at a local gas station than to pay these prices. So it is jumping up in price. So just to note that, that's $6.99. I do not like seeing that new price change, but if you're a soda drinker, this might be the weekend to get it at this price point because this is really inexpensive. And we have 3 for $8.99 for the 7-Up Dr. Pepper. And now that's also going up to $6.99, so load up on those as well. And the Lay's Classic chips, the Doritos aren't included. Interesting. 3 for $6, so it makes it $2 per bag. Okay, so looking at this, the new promotion is to buy 3 to get $5 of Walgreens cash. We're going to look at the Crest, and we're going to look at the bottom one, which is the Pantene shampoo. We're going to throw this guy into the mix as well. I know probably a lot of you received this because I received it on both of my store cards, so we're going to throw this into the mix. So grabbing, say, 2 Crests and 1 toothbrush, there will be a $2 for each, as the September P&G has a $2 coupon for each. So grabbing 3 of those at $4 a pop, that's $12, and then 3 Pantenes for $12. So my total right here is $24. I have my booster loaded to my store card, and I'm going to have the $2 coupons for the Crest toothpaste and the brush, and then that 3 off of 3 for the Pantene coming off. I'm going to be left with paying $17 out of pocket. I'm going to put that on my debit card because that booster is for a spend promotion. I'm getting back $15 in Walgreens cash, 5 for the booster, 5 for the Crest, and then 5 for the Pantene. So it makes it $2 for the 6 items, or 33 cents per product. Remember, let's not use Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, or this will end in tears, that old famous saying. Now, if you're so lucky to get the September P&G, let's throw in one of these guys. So it'll either be the $2 for the paste or the $2 for the brush, whichever one you want. I would go with the toothbrush because we don't always get free toothbrushes. Looking at the math again, it's the exact same matchup except for when you hit 24, you're going to present that one $2 coupon from the P&G. Everything's the same because it's $2 off. You're going to pay $15 out of pocket with your debit card, get back $15 in Walgreens cash, making it free. And let's remember, we're doing the exact same deal other than presenting one manufacturer. So don't use your Walgreens cash because this is a spend deal. Now, let's just say you don't have any of those boosters, but you just want to do the Crest deal. Here it is. Grab 3 toothpastes for $12. They're for a pop. You have that one $2 digital, and then present 2 $2 coupons from the September P&G, subtracting 4. I would throw in $5 of Walgreens cash, pay $1 out of pocket, get back your $5 of Walgreens cash. Because you're just buying the toothpaste on its own, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn Walgreens cash if you're just doing this on its own, like not doing a deal with a booster. And if you want to mix and match the Oral-B brush with the toothpaste, you can also do that as well. Alrighty, now we're going to look at some Colgate. $3.99. We're going to have a 3 off of 2 digital, $4 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2. So not exactly a freebie, but a little cheapy. So we're going to grab 2 of the toothpaste. I love the Optic White for $7.98. Subtracting that 3 off of 2 digital, you're paying $4.98 out of pocket, getting back $4 in Walgreens cash, making it 98 cents for the 2. Now, if you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash for this deal, you can spend it to earn it for this specific promotion as long as you're not using a booster in concert with this deal. Okay, so Tresemme is 2 for $10, $5 of Walgreens cash when you buy 3. I know a lot of you love Tresemme. I don't know if we're going to get a coupon on Sunday morning or what the story is, but usually they're always like a little bit of savings, but I don't really see the little bit of savings. So if you were doing the Crest deal the week previous and you might have, say, 1 of these or 2 of these, let's throw a couple of these into the mix because I don't like opening up my wallet for shampoo, that is for sure. So grabbing 3 of them for $15, I would use one $5 register reward and $10 of Walgreens cash. Get back $5 in Walgreens cash. Again, Sunday morning, I would double, triple check if there's any digitals. And let's not forget to photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app. This is a Unilever product, and yes, you will get back extra points for this purchase. Okay, so if you caught my video last week, I did about just the price of groceries that's increasing with inflation. And another thing that is going to be increasing in price is toilet paper. These are 4 mega rolls, which is the equivalent of 16 rolls for $3.99. I would definitely use Walgreens cash or this. I know a lot of us have been building a lot of Walgreens cash in the last week or so with all the different promotions with that booster. So I would grab 3 of these Cottonelles for $11.97. I would present 2 $5 register rewards, subtracting $10, or $10 in Walgreens cash. It is your choice. Pay $1.97 and photograph that receipt to the Fetch Rewards app to get back extra points. Cottonelle is part of their catalog. You will get back a little bit extra something for this purchase. Okay, so now we have a BOGO 50% off on the men's Gillette razors, $5 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2, and it says they have a $3 digital, plus there will be the same $3 coupon in the September P&G. Grabbing 2 of the razors at about $9.99 on a BOGO 50% off, that's $14.98. Subtracting the $3 digital and the $3 from the September P&G, you're paying $8.98 out of pocket, getting back $5 of Walgreens cash, making it $3.98 for the 2. $1.99 per razor. If you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down your balance for this one, absolutely go for it. Okay, so a quick talk about some honorable mentions. Now, this I couldn't do a matchup for because there is no digital coupons listed yet, so I don't know what they're doing with us. But the Nexus is to spend $20, get back $10 in Walgreens cash, and a similar promotion for the Shea Moisture. So for these two, you got to pay with your debit card for the balance or cash bills, whatever you want to call it, debit card, credit card. But since we don't have any manufacturers, I really can't say to go with this unless you were going to use that $5 when you spend $20 and then get back $15 when you spend $20 on the nose for this. So you'd be paying $5 for 2 shampoos. That's the only way I could see you doing it. But still, we need some coupons to make this deal happen. And now we have this one. It's back again, $2.99. There's going to be a $1 digital, dropping it down to $1.99. So you can get some very inexpensive dryer or Downy, your choice. I would get the Downy. Okay. Purex crystals, the liquid detergent, and the packs are 2 for $4. So if you wanted to use some Walgreens cash for that, if you're a newer couponer and you want those crystals for your stockpile, that is not the worst price. $2 each, that is a really good price point. Some stores, the Purex is like upwards of like $4 or $5.99 for 1. So marvel at that for a second, how cheap it is over at Walgreens. Me always talking about filler items for the line limit over at Walgreens if you're using a bunch of register rewards. The Yardley bar soap is 69 cents. This is a really good price point for this soap. And with Labor Day being celebrated the weekend, at the end of the weekend, there's a lot of adult beverages where there's mail-in rebates that will pop out of the Catalina machine. You send it to the manufacturer by mail with your receipt, the UPC from the box, along with the Catalina filled out. It comes out of the machine, or you could probably, find the manufacturer's website and then just print it out from home, whichever one. But these are once per household, but it is probably one of the last opportunities of the summer to get like these beverages at this price point. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.